Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Unplanned Way. Today we will be taking you to a very prominent and well-famed city of Maharashtra, also called the Orange City of India, that is Nagpur. Nagpur offers multiple attractions to choose from, including temples, lakes, wildlife sanctuaries, and more. In this video, we will cover places that you can visit in the city itself. Nagpur is also termed as the Tiger Capital of India or Tiger Gateway of India as there are many tiger reserves in and around the city. The first spot on our list is the Nagpur Rail Museum. This unique museum has models and lookalikes of locomotives, trains, and steam engines. It is spread over several galleries and also has an amusement park, toy trains, and play area for kids. It is a perfect place for a mini family vacation. It is open from 11 am to 9 pm. Gorewada Zoo is another popular tourist place that you should experience in Nagpur. It is a mix of zoo and a forest. You will be taken in a bus to spot the animals that are kept in an open space.
गोरेवाड़ा इंटरनेशनल जू है। ये गोरेवाड़ा का टोटल फॉरेस्ट लैंड एरिया 1914 एकड़ में फैला हुआ है और इसके दो मेन पार्ट है, एक घटक क्रमांक 1, घटक क्रमांक 2। फिलहाल हम घटक क्रमांक 2 घटक क्रमांक 1 में रेस्क्यू सेंटर, बायोडायवर्सिटी पार्क और जंगल ड्राइव बनाए गए।
The zoo offers 4 stages of awe and wonder, including leopard safari, sloth bear safari, herbivore safari, and the most sought after tiger safari.
सांगाई डियर है, इंडिया में पाई जाने वाली सबसे रेयर स्पीशीज है डियर की। इन्हें डांसिंग डियर भी कहा जाता है सांगाई डियर को। ये इंडिया में पाई जाती है।
The zoo area is huge and the ticket will cost you roughly between 300 to 500 rupees depending on the type of bus and the day you choose to visit. If you would like to know all the details of visiting Gorewada Zoo, check out a Gorewada Zoo video. The link is in the description box. Next, we have this beautiful temple, Shri Ganesh Mandir Tekdi. It is situated near Nagpur railway station. The temple has rich architecture and the idol of Ganesha is seen seated under a tree inside the premises of the temple. The timings are 6 am to 9 pm. The busiest time of the day is during early morning or evening aartis. It is a must visit on your trip to Nagpur. The next spot is the peaceful Hanuman Mandir located near Futala Lake. It is right next to the famous chaat corner of Nagpur called Samosa Wala. This temple has a peaceful vibe and will leave you feeling positive and fresh. So don't miss visiting this pleasant place while on your visit to Nagpur. The city of Nagpur is home to 11 magnificent lakes and the Futala Lake is one of them. Futala Lake is about 6 kilometers away from the city center and is believed to be more than 200 years old. This lake is famous for its charming atmosphere and beauty. In the vicinity, you will find many local food stalls and mini restaurants to have some delicious food. The best attraction at this lake is the colored fountains, which are a sight to behold. Unfortunately, we couldn't watch the show as we had to head back to Mumbai that day. Last but not the least is the 0-mile marker or monument built by the British for the Great Trigonometrical Survey of India. The monument has a pillar and a small stone to represent the 0-mile mark. The marker was used by the British to measure distances. It is open 24 hours. And those were the top places on our list. Tell us in the comments below your favorite places to visit in Nagpur. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in our next video soon.